Hey, Bobby Las Vegas presents Caesar's Palace Augustus Room Review. I was in Vegas back in January for my uncle's birthday, had a great time with the family, but before we review the room, please like and subscribe to see more of our Vegas adventures. Alright, here we are, the Augustus Tower, room 3981. Like most of the rooms, first room you got is the bathroom. Love the design, nice shower, great pressure, deep soaking tub with the jets. Gotta love the double mirrors, double vanity, private room to take care of business. Here we go, nice head to toe mirror. Get yourself nice as you hit the strip. We got the one king. Sorry about the mess. Nice little sofa joint, bunch of chairs. Very nice TV. Of course, we got the here we go. Provisions, please do not touch or grab. Little mirror, little desk. Right. Got a coffee machine, very comfortable couch, and here's the view from the room. Kind of a strip view where you can see all the other towers of Caesar's palace. And here's what it looks like at night. It's pretty dope. Well, there you go. The Caesar's Palace Augustus Room Review. One king. Just might do it again. Alright. As I might have said before, we also had some family in town hanging out with us this time in Vegas. They were in Augustus also, but they had the two queen. The room is pretty much the same. The only difference is, the two queen beds, smaller couch. But let me tell you something, they had the much better view. Pretty nice. Looking at the Bellagio, the fountains. It's pretty dope. Hey, once again, Bobby Las Vegas presents. Can't wait to do it again.